MickeyMouse. I don't know, I'm tempted more Smith. Just E5. Right, now, that bishop C4. I know we've got a sort of C3 Sicilian now. He's going to nab a pawn, he could go a pawn up, yep. That's interesting. And that's, where's my compensation? Kind of interesting. You may wonder, I can overprotect E5. That's some sort of compensation. If we can clear pawn down. Maybe there's A5, I don't know, it's good for 5 minutes sometimes to be a pawn down. But maybe knight D4, should have done knight D4 before he plays D4. I know I had knight E4. So, I don't know, what's the bishop doing there? Can I play A5? And then knight D4. So I'm playing knight C6 and queen A6. Let's take the bishop on that diagonal, kind of dangerous. Scare him later if he castles. Also there's B4 B5 trapping the bishop now. Can I just go for that? I'll try it. So I suppose knight goes to E4. Then haven't I got knight takes? Gives him D5. Still, I have the thing like E6 at the end of this. If I do play knight takes, oh, bishop takes, B5, bishop D5, knight takes, E6. I'll try that. What am I talking about? If B5, okay, bishop D5, no, my knight's, it's okay for the moment. Knight E5, bishop E5, if he's on that knight. Okay, bishop D5, knight takes an E6, surely. I could have just won a pawn as well on E4, but maybe this is better. Let's see if his king's a bit exposed. Okay, now F3. Oh, that's bishop C5. Let me move the king first. Also got knight F5. Maybe A6 as well, just undermine C6 and knight C6 and knight A7, just A6. That's a good move for the rook. When he's getting his king safe. And king G8 is knight E6. Hooking queen and rook. So if B6, knight C6, queen moves to D7, there's knight E5. So this is a good move as well. A6. Surprisingly, on that side of the board, but it has some implications for the king. Okay, so A takes and knight C6. Be threatening rook A7. Unless he's going to sack the exchange. And then I'll still pick up A7. Moves his king rook A7. So what is he doing about that? I suppose rook A8. Okay, there's that one as well. And just bishop here. Bishop E3. D4. Anything more incisive? Rook C1, bishop B6. Queen C2, F3. Oh, I'll go for this. Try to get A7 pressure. If he takes, maybe F takes as well. So I think he's under a bit of pressure here. So D4, that might be check actually. Check, Queen A2 check. His king wouldn't be able to escape then to G8. Nothing could be put in the way, so that would be good to provoke D4. So this could be quite a cruel position from here if he's not careful. So F takes, pinning the knight. Guess he could just play king G8 here, but rook A7 and knight E7 will be winning the exchange. Rook A8. I was going to play that. Alright, just take. Now. Interesting. Couldn't I just do this anyway? What was Rook A6? I don't know, Rook A6, Queen C5, that's 95. There's actually Queen H5 check here. Actually Rook F6 as well. Rook C7 first, Queen H5, G6 is Queen H7, King G8. It's 97. King H8, Knight G6. King Queen H5s, or Rook F6s. I'm tempted by Rook F6. Just the idea of King F6, Queen. Well, actually takes on C7 first, then check, then he'd be losing his Rook on F8. Tempting. So if takes Queen H5, King G8, Queen takes D5 maybe. Looks good fun. Hang on. Okay, so Queen H5. It's got King G7 here. So Knight D4. King D6. Knight D4, King D6. Okay, 6. There's Rook C1s, unfortunately. Just Queen G4 for the moment. F5 though. So actually, just Rook A6. Knight D4. Double check from the Rook and Queen, so I can get that double check in. Then maybe Queen H7 takes. No, I don't know what's going on actually, but he's only got 1 minute 20. But this is dangerous for him, surely. His king's exposed. I just need to get some air for my king. How do I get some air for my king? Rook C6, maybe I just take the queen because the rook's pinned, he can't mate me. But then the two rooks might be quite good. Okay. I take or Queen G4 first. Queen G4 F5, there's nothing there, is there? Right. Let's check F5. Knight D4 check. Right. I think I'm going to have to go for this. Make some air now. Queen takes H7. This pawn's dangerous. Can you surely coordinate the rooks against the queen? That does Queen G7 and H5. I'll pin this one. I'm getting G4. Queen F5 check. King to G3. Is that useful? Queen F5 check here. Nope. That wasn't that clever. I'll try and win a pawn though. Okay. Now I win the rook. That was useful. Maybe I can win this from here. Even I could win this position, I hope. Let's see, how do I win it? King F4? I'm not going to allow stalemate, am I? actually, if I go over here, let's just take this. Oh well, checkmated. Fun. Please leave any comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.